Hey, this your girl Quoia.
It's your girl R.
It's your boy Ryan.
We Hoodbabies. Whoa. And today we have Hurricane Wisdom and Herbo Clippers and Hotboii Cloud9. Put these two together so we can get the videos out for y'all today. We're not gonna waste no time though. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification button. Follow them social media down there if you're into it.
Let's do it.
She won't go away.
His visuals been
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Girl, low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even the church I feel with sinners. In myself I feel with clip. Now out here on me in LA. I'm chopping too wide lemon.
Yeah. I'm chopping too wide lemon.
But nah, that shot, bro, this video tripping.
Oh God.
Who shot
Edit, trimming out like.
If I feel a clip, man, out here on me in LA, I'm chopping too wide lemon. Hey, the A-shot on my G. I know they come smile, but I don't know how I gang got me in the version. Keep put it on my feet and tap this bitch. I'm throwing 10. Bitch, who you think you is? So I ask you what I look like. Hey, starting to realize I'm that nigga. Girl, low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even church.
Hey, he's not right there.
She's
I asked him what I look like. You feel me?
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Girl, low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even church I feel with sinners. In myself I feel with clip. Now out here on me in LA, I'm chopping too wide lemon. Nah, fuck, I'm dropping 50 like on Yannis. They fucking up my finest. The hip bitch, I'm a crowd. Like, oh, the hip bitch, I'm a pro. On the next game, we bouncing out that frame, we don't know. They say like it's a gang, I treat you like a game, man, let's go. On the ground, that boy go. Behind that, his ass post.
Behind that, what post?
That's hoe.
He trimmed.
So he said behind who he hoe?
He said he treat this shit like a gang, up the scope, like tripping.
Yeah, man, let's go. On the ground, that boy go. Behind that, his ass post. Hey, starting to realize I'm that nigga. Girl, low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even the church I feel with sinners. In myself I feel with clip. Now out here on me in LA, I'm chopping too wide lemon.
Since the jet, I been that nigga. 16 with 6 figures. I go AP Paddock Richard. G Swerve, big spender. Buy a land, pull off, go.
Yeah, he come in with energy. Spender. I knew that shot was him with the shadow. That's hard.
16 with 6 figures. I go AP Paddock Richard. G Swerve, big spender. Buy a land, pull off, go tenant. Phone him, try to get me to spin it. Fuck these pussies, I don't feel them. If he move, drench, kill him. I got mad love in the trenches, but I ain't been back in a minute. I been on the road and fucking hoes and counting checks relentless. Beat the streets, I ducked the senses. Told the Chris back jumping fences. Told my mama quit her job cause we don't need no fucking pension. If it's smoke,
Cause my mama don't quit her job cause we don't need no
Hey, he popping it, man.
Yeah.
He popping it.
He's 29.
We don't need
he
it.
got it. Like
told the Chris back jumping fences. Told my mama quit her job cause we don't need no fucking pension. If it's smoke, better pay attention. Lil' bro stay on go, he ain't missing. Block 23 gotta switch an extension. And you a dial with tweets, don't mention. If you ain't with it, you still can get it. When you gon' realize I'm that nigga? Made it out without a scratch. We was baby Ace go to war with gorillas.
Yeah.
Skinny.
made it out without a scratch. Move, baby Ace going to war with gorillas.
That's what I'm saying.
If he won.
He walked
I was gonna say something real on track though. He ain't never just talking.
Good.
I'm that nigga, made it out without a scratch. We was baby Ace go to war with gorillas. Skinny.
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Girl, low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even church I feel with sinners. In myself I feel with clip. Now out here on me in LA, I'm chopping too wide lemon.
They do what they want to do. Hurricane been on the run. I'm not even lying. Love you today. Hurricane been on the run. Let that go, Rick, okay? Yeah, but we finna do Hotboii Cloud9, y'all. Okay, we clearly messed with that one.
With the roses in their hand.
You know, Hotboii come with the vibes. I love his flow. The vibes with the slide.
I don't run no bitch down, I'm following Jesus. I'm like what that guap say, 500 in 5 days. I know what your mind say, but I just want your migraine. They say they gon' drive by, we posting in them driveways. I got ops in Cloud9. I got ops in Cloud9.
Then he gonna like explain after that. That's crazy.
Cloud9.
That's crazy.
I got ops in Cloud9. I got ops in Cloud9. Forget about what them folks say. Brody catch a M on top of him like he was rose. Baby told me drop it every week, don't give him no break. I thought you'd be happy that I'm winning, it was more hate. Poppin' shit and having fun, up an extra line. Switching bitches, having fun, fucking just cause. I brought her a new line, staring out the line. Ain't even had that shit to give, still did like it was nothing. These niggas so fit.
Shit to get
still did like it was nothing. Ruin.
Okay. About us a line.
Staring out the line, ain't even had that shit to give, still did like it was nothing. These niggas so fit, why the fuck I'm so 100? Louis pouch, fill it out with blues, this 100. Scared to take a risk, walk down, he gon' panic. Got locked down, I rode the whole ride, it was bugging on the weekend. I make it look easy, throwing out the pieces, I'm tired of niggas leeching. Why you put your heart up? Baby, it was freezing. I don't run no bitch down, I'm following Jesus. I'm like what that God say, 500 in 5 days. I know what your mind say, but I just want your migraine.
Why he really potty with that?
They bit too short. They bit too short.
Jesus.
That's the only thing I got to say.
I follow in Jesus.
Yeah, he hard with that one.
500 in 5 days. I know what your mind say, but I just want your migraine. They say they gon' drive by, we posted in the driveway. I got ops in Cloud9.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like I'm asking, yeah, I'm asking Cloud9, yeah, You feel me? That was his one on the playlist. He's sent out with that. I'm gonna give him his flower one out with. You know what I'm saying? Both of the songs in this video was hard. You know what I'm saying? I'm satisfied 2 out of 2. Y'all let us know how y'all feel though. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit post notification, button, right support.
Follow the link in the description right now below.
You know, bye.